In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fix microphone issues in OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to resolve microphone problems, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're facing microphone problems in OBS, don't worry. We'll go through multiple fixes in this guide. Let's get right into it. Firstly, open OBS and navigate to your settings in the bottom right. Once in the settings, go to the Audio tab. Check the Mic Auxiliary Audio option and ensure that your correct microphone is selected. Avoid using the default option. Choose the specific microphone you intend to use. If your microphone isn't appearing in the list, make sure it's properly plugged in and check for any lights indicating its functionality. If needed, restart your computer after connecting the microphone. Next, check the audio mixer for mic and aux levels. Confirm that the audio slider is set to 0 decibels, ensuring optimal volume. If the microphone is still not working or is too quiet, proceed to the sound settings on your computer. Right-click on the audio icon in the bottom right of your computer, select Sound Settings, and navigate to the Input section. Choose the correct microphone and adjust the input volume to your preference. If issues persist, check for any required drivers for your microphone on the manufacturer's website. You can update drivers through the Device Manager. Search for Device Manager. Locate your microphone under Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click and select Update Driver. If your microphone still doesn't work, try it in other applications, like the Sound Recorder app, to verify its functionality outside of OBS. If it works elsewhere but not in OBS, the methods in this guide should resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.